When we are born, the first stage is infancy. In infancy, our first experience is the touch of our mother, and by the mere touch of the mother, the baby stops wailing. This happens because the comforting touch of the mother installs the faith in the child that as long the child is in the mother's embrace, the child will be safe. Hence, in our lives, if we inculcate a staunch belief that we too are always in the embrace of the Supreme Mother, that is the God, when we too will be able to feel the serenity and sanctity which has been lacking from our lives, but the hindrance that we encounter is that we find it hard to believe the fact that the one who created us enabled us to have a glimpse of his creation, the one who created this highly sophisticated state of the art body of ours, and because of whose will we are able to walk on the face of the karma oriented earth. And as we walk, he is the inspiration behind, but all we feel while walking is that we walk on our own. What we do not realize that we are not walking autonomously but are being made to walk. We do not appreciate that every moment, every microsecond, there are millions and billions of miracles working inside our body, which facilitate us in doing our desired work. These miracles, which we so passively calls as mere biological and chemical reactions, were in fact fashioned by him and root crafting us, and he is the one who is enabling and overseeing the miracles take place on daily basis. He who is neither visible nor audible but yet is ever present, is universal, and is the rhythm of all the sounds on the earth. He can only be felt, can be only envisioned, and once we are connected to our Maker, then He will be visible to us even during our daily activities and in our pursuits, and this phenomenon will assure us that He is in and around us at all the times. Om.